Hey everybody! Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Yule, Happy Holidays, Happy whatever you celebrate, whatever you're celebrating. Hope it was magical and awesome. And I'm here with two presents, so to speak. You guessed it. Voxbox is from Influencer, and thank you, Influencer peeps. And we're going to start with the big one. So let's see what we got here. We have a volume thickening spray from Tresemme. Look at how sleek and gorgeous this bottle is. Really looking forward to using this. I don't really get a lot of hair products from Influencer that I can readily use, so I'm really excited about this one. And the last one, we got NYX Shout It Out, a Pro Pigment Lipstick. Okay, let's get all this tissue out of the way. Okay, so we got Shout Loud, NYX is Shout Loud lipstick in Red Hot. Get it? Red Hot. But anyway, that's it, you guys. Hope you guys got a lot of cool presents, got to eat a lot of cool stuff, and ate yourselves. I know I enjoyed myself. See you guys next year. Bye.